Today I'm going to take you into my favorite barbecue restaurant. This is North Georgia BBQ, their home of the pig melt, which is pretty amazing. All the food is served in a gold mining dishpan. My personal favorite is the brisket plate, which comes with 2 sides of your choice, a beautiful piece of brisket. You do get a couple of slices that is always cooked to perfection with that nice char cap on the outside, which has all their secret and amazing spices. It is tender as can be. You really don't need a fork or a knife. You can pick this up with your hands and bite it. It is so tender. But just look at how moist and tender that meat looks. It is always my go-to when I visit because I especially love the cap. And as you can see, they're thick and juicy. Perfect when looking for a barbecue restaurant that has delicious homemade brisket. So you also get toast and some pickled onions with your meal as well. Today I got their homemade potato salad with their spicy sauce and delicious baked beans. These sides are out of this world amazing. I always take my bread and 1 slice of brisket and make a sandwich. The slices are so thick. The options are so versatile. So sure, you can try it on its own, but definitely enjoy it with the full meal. The potato salad is just as good as the baked beans. They leave the skin on the potatoes, so it gives it another layer of flavor. And it is my personal favorite. The baked beans have barbecue sauce in them and some pulled pork. They also have some chilies in there. So each bite is simply amazing. Their house-made pickled onions just add another layer of flavor to the dish. If you need to cut the barbecue sauce or any of the grease, the onions will do the trick. They also have amazing barbecue pulled pork sandwiches. You can pick whatever kind of sauce you want. They have sweet and spicy barbecue sauces. They also have a mustard and vinegar based to pair with the pulled pork. Today, for the sandwich, we chose a sweet sauce. Now the sauce is house-made. As you can see, there is a difference. And there's also a flavor difference as well. With the sauce added, we can put this sandwich back together and enjoy some delicious pulled pork made in the North Georgia mountains. As you can see, every bite looks just as good as that slow roasted brisket. The smoked flavor paired with whichever sauce you choose is going to be your new favorite. So make sure you take time to check out their full menu and see which will be your next favorite.